What is framework in programming? I'll explain you it with an example. Let's divide it into two cases. Case number 1. Imagine you are constructing a house. Then you bring bricks, cement, wood and everything needed and you start construction. And how to build walls, doors and everything from the scratch. But it would be some difficulty and takes more time and efforts. Whereas case number 2, imagine if you have already pre-built walls, doors and windows like a total blueprint. Then it would be more easier than case 1 and saves more time and efforts as well. Same as in the programming also, these frameworks are like the blueprints. They are already having a pre-built functions methods like a whole navbar or a form or any other user interface related or backend related. You can use these frameworks to save more time and efforts. If you are writing the same code regularly, you have to write it from the scratch. But using frameworks, you can just call them into your project and it saves your time and efforts. So this is what a framework is in the programming. I hope you have understood the video. If not, I suggest you to rewatch the video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below.